नमस्कार. आरडेक्स गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. सुरवेक पळोवया गोंयच्यो मुखेल घडणुको. नगर नियोजन मंत्री विजय सरदेसायान सर्गेस्त दोतोर विलीचेर केल्लें वक्तव्य तांकां सोबना. जो व्यक्ती हयात ना ताचेर अशे तरेची टिका करप मंत्री विजयाक सोबना म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो तुल्यो डिसूजा उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
This small press briefing specifically on certain issues which the TCP minister had raised, specifically with respect to my press conference on the 28th of November. For this, I have with me by Urmila Madkar, by Mukta Panje Blokache, by Nilesh from Kumbarjua, and by Parag from Maregaon. The first point that I would like to make की आमचे TCP मिनिस्टरान एक आरोप केल्लो म्हजें नांव घेवन की Dr. Wilfred D'Souza as CM and chairman of the town planning board in the 67th and 68th meeting कितलेशे केसी कन्वर्शनाच्यो केल्ल्यो. ताका म्हजें उत्तर अशें आसा, आमचो ताका तर ही खबर नासली, आमचो टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग एक्ट 1974 जेन्ना 1988 section 17 was amended, what happened? The regional plan, which was supposed to be amended once in 5 years, could be amended any number of times. Original plan also आमचो आरांकडो 2001 जो आशिल्लो ताचे at any time it was or it could be amended, and all the town and country planning board meetings thereafter from 1989 onwards, after this was notified, have been considering change in land use, change of zone applications and granting from 1989 to 2005. Successive chief ministers, I do not want to name anybody because this is not a matter of making allegations. When something was being permitted by an amendment, successive chief ministers from 89 from various political parties who have occupied the chair have done conversions in each and every प्रत्येक बोर्ड मीटिंग जी जाल्या 1989 वर्सान 2004 ते 5 पासून प्रत्येक बोर्ड मिटिंगेन टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग बोर्ड मिटिंगेन असले एप्लिकेशनां आनी असले अर्ज आनी असले चेंज इन लँड यूज एप्लिकेशनां प्रत्येक चीफ मिनिस्टरान आनी टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टरान कन्सिडर केल्ले आसा. एंड I don't need to remind our Goans and our Goan brothers and sisters the crucial role he played for the purpose of Konkani as our state language, and thereafter for आमकां जो घटक राज्य स्टेटहूड मेळ्ळा आनी ताचे तेतून कितलें योगदान आशिल्लें, कितलें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आशिल्लें तें आमच्या गोंयच्या भावांक आनी भयणांक बरी खबर आसा. ताचे फुडें हांव आनी कांयच उलयना, कित्याक these are issues which one should consider before making careless and reckless remarks. Who has exemplified what is गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारपण more than Dr. Willie. आनी ताचो म्हाका दिसता सर्टिफिकेट कोणाक दिवची गरज ना. गोंयचे जनतेन तो सर्टिफिकेट दोतोर वेलीक खूब दिलो. हेच पॉलिटिशियन जे यू टर्न करपाक फेमस आसा ते पॉलिटिशियन असले आरोप करतात. Where Mr. Vijay Sardesai should introspect and check what was his stand about the nationalization of rivers in the public meeting held at Nerul in 2017 before the elections. What was his stand on the investment proportion board, which he was vehemently opposing so many times? And what is his stand now on the Mopa airport, which he led everybody, or should I say misled, into a big public meeting at Lohia Maidan in Madgaon? असले जे यू टर्न करने वाले मनीस जे दोतोर विलीचेर आज आमचे मदीं ना ताचेर आरोप करता ते लोकांनी म्हाका दिसता बरे भशेन समजुचे पडटले कसले आरोप आनी कितें करूंक. Besides that, he has made number of promises. I repeated in the last press conference that he will check and make an inquiry on a number of plottings that have been done in orchard zones and illegally.